Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to make money trading Forex. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to become a successful Forex trader, from understanding the market to developing effective strategies and managing risk. Understanding the Forex market. Forex, or foreign exchange, is the largest financial market in the world where currencies are traded 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. We'll delve into how the Forex market operates, including major currency pairs, trading sessions, and key concepts like leverage and pip value. Developing a trading strategy. Having a solid trading strategy is crucial for success in Forex trading. We'll explore various strategies such as technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and sentiment analysis. Learn how to create a strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Risk management. Effective risk management is essential to protect your capital and minimize losses. We'll discuss techniques like position sizing, stop-loss orders, and diversification to help you manage risk effectively. Choosing a Forex broker. Selecting the right Forex broker is a critical decision for every trader. We'll outline the factors you should consider when choosing a broker, including regulation, spreads, commissions, and customer service. Getting started with Forex trading. We'll provide a step-by-step guide to opening a Forex trading account and placing trades. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, these tips will help you start trading responsibly and improve your skills over time. To sum up, Forex trading offers significant profit potential, but it also comes with risks. By understanding the market, developing a solid strategy, managing risk, and choosing the right broker, you can increase your chances of success in Forex trading.